Hey, and welcome back to Mr. Systems. Today I would like to show you Canva. Canva you can use for making YouTube thumbnails, video presentation, YouTube backgrounds, YouTube pictures for your profile, and a lot of more things. But if your primary goal is to use it for YouTube, you can do all the things in here. And that's why I would like to show you about it, because this is a very good website and it is free. They have a premium price if you would like to get access to more things and so forth, but it's not really needed, only if you want to have more things that you can do. But how about we just jump right into it. So click on sign up for free so you can start creating your account. This can be created with a Google or an existing Google account or existing Facebook account. You can continue by signing up with an email as well. I'm just signing up with an email that I've made, and you go ahead and do that, and I'll just be right back when we are at the homepage of Canva. And now we have made it to Canva's homepage. This is how it looks, and as I mentioned, you can use video presentation, you can make a presentation like a thing, a Facebook post, an A4 document, a resume, poster, portrait, Instagram post, logo, Instagram story, Facebook cover, a card if you would like to do that. So many things in here. So it's only you who can set the barrier for what you don't want to do in here. So yeah, and they have it labeled very easy to you to navigate in here to find out what to do. These are some of the recent designs that I have done. These are thumbnails for my YouTube channel and my YouTube logo. And I think I'll just show you how you can start making a simple YouTube thumbnail in this video. And if you would like to see more, I can show you in another video as well. So how about we just get started? The easiest way to get started with everything in here is to click up here in the right corner and create a design. And here you can find the things that you could do in here. But if you just want to make a simple YouTube thumbnail, you will do a custom size, because you have to have this custom size of this, because if you make it bigger, then it would look pretty bad on different devices. So this is the format for your YouTube thumbnails you'll be using. So to go ahead and start the thumbnail that we want to create, you'll just type in this 1280 and 720. It just stands down here because I recently have used, and you can say create new design, and you'll get into this new site where you can start creating your thumbnail. On this side you have already made up templates for you to use. This is all these down to the left, and that's a whole of a lot. Those with the crown is those you need to have the premium, so you have to pay to use them, but there is a lot of free stuff. Over here at your left as well, you have elements that you can put in, such as frames, lines, arrows, circles, whatever, and you can just go down this list. There's a ton of them. And uploads, these are pictures that I have uploaded to Canva or to be used to my thumbnails. And then you can click on text, and you can add a heading, subheading, and there's different things here that you can actually put in as text as well. You can click more, and you get an overview of quite everything there is in here to be put in. So let's say that you wanted to make a video about a router. You take the router, you either find, I have found this picture on the internet, you paste this in, and you can move it as you would like to on the picture right here. Let's make it just big for this instance, even bigger, like so. So we have a big ass router. And then afterwards you could say, let's say you would like a heading. So now we have added a heading by clicking on this, and you can see a how to route example. But this looks quite hideous, I'd say, because it's just black. It's something new I have experimented with. What if we added an element? like this fine ass square. Then this square we can add and put inside of our text, like so. You see right here. And you'll get a quite big background. That looks a bit better, I'd say. And you can get that to match with the color of the router, sort of. Have this, and you can add the, now that's done. You can take the text, and you can make that all white. By doing so, click up here, the white stuff. Then you actually have these. You can group these things together, so they are one. So when you have to move both the colored background you have made and the text, you can move them in one thing. So you can say how to route. That's quite easy. And what if I said I didn't want to do much work and I just wanted to make a quick and easy thumbnail to be used? Like say I'm doing gaming, for instance, and I'll just click replace, so we don't need the other. So yeah, now I have something of a Nintendo Switch, and we can say if you need me, I'll be gaming. And yeah, then you already have a thumbnail that you can actually just do something else in. You can just say need to game. Let's say you have now created a thumbnail that you are satisfied with. Then you'll go up here to the share button and you'll say download, and then you click download. Then you will get it out, and here you got your thumbnail that you have just created. This is how you use Canva in a nutshell, sort of. If you want more videos about how to do more stuff in here, I can create them if that's needed. This was just to give you a brief overview of what you can do with Canva. So I hope this has been informative and helped you. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.